Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Happy Bakra Eid to everyone those who are celebrating. Also, I am extremely sorry that I am uploading videos a little late than usual. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. In this video, I will be sharing a very special vlog that is all about Bakra Eid, how we celebrated in our hometown. It is very special this year because we are celebrating Eid along with our family in our hometown. Bakra Eid, which is also called as Eid Al Adha. Now in this Eid we will be sacrificing goat and will be distributing the meat to all our friends, relatives and as well as the poor people. As we will be very busy on Eid day, previous day itself we prepared this khatta baigan that is very important for us with biryani. All biryani lovers will know that this khatta baigan will add extra taste to the biryani. Likewise, it is also important that we will make anything like Seviyan type of sweet treat for Eid, every Eid. Now, instead of making sheer korma, I am going to make khimami Seviyan or sukhe Seviyan. This is little bit different and very tasty recipe. I am going to prepare 4 packets of this Seviyan in 2 batches, 2 packets at a time. Like this, break down into small pieces, crush it so that it will be easy to mix easily. This khimami Seviyan I will be making in a little big batch because we will be serving this sweet treat only in the evening when all the guests who come to meet us for the Eid, along with some savory sweet treat also. Take any kind of nuts you have. I am just taking cashews, almonds and raisins. You can also take walnuts and pista. And you should use little extra ghee for frying as well as for making the sweet. At first we will fry all the nuts and keep it aside. For this recipe we will be using little extra ghee and also extra nuts because those 2 things only is going to make the sweet treat little bit rich. When the raisins puff up, just immediately off the flames and remove all the nuts and keep it aside. Otherwise your sweet treat will have a bitter taste if you leave it to burn. Now in the same kadai, add little extra ghee and start frying the Seviyan, that is the vermicelli we have kept. Nicely fry it until it is little bit brown in color. That will give extra taste. Already this Seviyan will be roasted one only, but roasting again in ghee will give different taste. Later on I will share this recipe separately on my channel so that it will be easy for you to reach out whenever you are going to try it. Once all the vermicelli is fried, now I am going to add 3 cups of milk. In this milk you can also add the cream which will be on top, that is malai, for 2 packets. Each packet is 150 grams, so 300 grams of vermicelli I have taken. For that I am going to use 3 cups of milk. In this milk you have to nicely mix the vermicelli and make them wet. It should be completely soaked in the milk. If you want little more liquidy, you can add 1 cup extra milk also, no worries. Now I will be adding 3 cups of sugar, granulated sugar only I am adding 3 cups. If you are like to have little extra sweetness, even half or 1 cup extra sugar is also okay. But if you are going to use the mawa which is sweet, this 3 cups itself is enough. Nicely give it a good mix. Once the sugar touches the liquid thing, it will become more liquidy and it will get cooked nicely. Now you can see there is lot of liquid in the Seviyan and it is not sticking to the bottom. Nicely give it a good mix. When this Seviyan is little bit runny or loose, I am adding cardamom powder. This cardamom powder I prepared just now along with the sugar. I mixed it in the mixer and I am adding it. Nicely give it a good mix. Now I am adding mawa or khowa. This is unsweetened mawa or khowa. If you are adding sweetened one, Then reduce the sugar. No worries, anything of your choice you can use. Now I am also adding some nuts. I will save most of the nuts to garnish on top while serving. Cover it and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Then our sweet treat is very much ready. This sweet will last for at least 10 days in fridge. It will not be spoiled at all. I prepared this previous day night itself for Eid day special. Extremely delicious, soft, super soft and very tasty recipe. Definitely give it a try if you have not yet tried yet. These are called as Sukhe Seviyan or Khimami Seviyan also. That's it. Previous day night only I did these type of things. Even marinating chicken 65 or even gobi manchurian or this kind of things I did previous day night. In the morning, it's very important to keep your house full of fragrances. That's how I'm just taking whatever was available. This is computer samrani which was available at home. I'm just lighting it up. Always make your house very special by adding extra fragrances in your house. In this video, I did not add any clips from my breakfast menu. It went a little bit quick because morning hours it was really very busy time going for sacrificing the goat, bringing the meat and preparing whole lot of things. I just missed having a clip of that. Behind the scene, everything went smoothly, sacrificing the goat, cleaning up everything and bringing the meat home directly, and our work just got started. We sacrificed 2 goats and in 2 buckets full we got the meat, which we will be dividing and packing up in Ziploc bags equally among all relatives, friends, neighbors and poor people. It is whole lot of work dividing the meat in equal way without any differences. Me and my mother-in-law took up this job, and today I don't have the work to cook. My brother-in-law only cooked the biryani at home. So when the biryani was getting ready, we are getting ready with all the sacrificed meat packed to be shared with all of them. Now you can see how we have just equally packed all the meat in Ziploc bags. This we will be going to share with family and friends as well as with the poor people. We have lemon tree in our house. We needed some lemon for making biryani, so just plucking few of the lemon from there. There is whole lot of lemons in the tree. I will definitely share that also in some other vlog. Everything is quickly getting ready. We prepared both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. We have both vegetarian and non-vegetarian people at home. So veg biryani, mutton biryani, chicken 65, mixed vegetable pakodas or manchurian you can call it, and raita, as well as bangan ka khatta also was made. As everybody did their job well done, we were on time, having everything at the same time. We just sent all the goat sacrifice to share with our friends and relatives, as well as the food was also ready at the same time, on time. Quickly we will set the table so that we will have our Eid day special lunch. Always the king of our table will be the mutton biryani, which is special for Bakra Eid. This biryani was very tasty, and you can see how beautiful. We did not add any food color or anything, yet you can see the color of the biryani. It is very wonderful, and see the greens also, they are nice and long and well done. My brother-in-law is a very expert in preparing biryani. You can see how nice, the beautiful the biryani looks. It was really very tasty as well. Now it is lunchtime, fun time and feasting time. Kids got started and followed by we all enjoyed the same. It's a tradition on Eid day evening, everybody will be moving around to meet each other, family and friends, to wish Eid Mubarak. That's how we had whole lot of guests coming home in the evening, and we also had some sweet treat for kids, those who were coming, and also the Seviyan and some savory treat also to serve in the evening. After Eid, next day we had a very fun time going for a picnic to Yerkad. We also stay in foothills of Yerkad. It is very close by and the nearest place for us to have a very nice picnic. All the way you can see so many monkeys. They are so adorable to see with their small kids. It was very fun ride. Also the weather was very nice. It was cold. It was even a little bit of drizzle, as well as there was fog and mist you can see. In Yerkad, this is Great Trails GRT Hotel it is. It was a very fun place with lot of activities inside itself, well organized and planned activities for kids as well as for everybody. You can have fun time there. And they have their ambience very beautifully set up, and their outdoor location to have relaxed time also is very nice. The overlooking view of this mountain is very beautiful from this location. They can have a full view of Salem town, as well as they have a viewpoint for Metu Dam also. This skywalk is very thrilling, adventurous and very fun also. You can see it is a real different experience for us. After a busy Eid day, this kind of fun and relaxed outing was a must. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I will be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.